I thank you for making this time to attend this very important meeting here at the office of the Prime Minister. We are in a crisis. Fiji is under attack from an unlikely enemy that is both stealthy and ruthless with its attack. This enemy has caused millions of dollars in damages, impacting many Fijian families and businesses. I'm talking about the termite infestation that has plagued Fijians in the Western and Northern Division for far too long now. The cost of termites, I witnessed firsthand the devastation of this imported pest during my visit to Rotorua and the West a few months ago. Speaking with the stakeholders, it was apparent that this small insect has had huge impact on structures in the Rotorua area, including residential homes and businesses in the Suka city. Needless to say, I was dumbfounded to see how big the problem was, real, and the true extent of it all. Around 150 termite infested properties have already been identified in Rotorua. Compounding the issue is that the situation is so dire that some houses will need to be demolished because the termites have already compromised the integrity of the structures. Globally, termites are a nuisance, experienced in many countries. They are considered one of the most difficult pests to control and eradicate the world over. Even our neighboring country, Australia, it is estimated that 180,000 homes are attacked by termites each year, equating to Australia 1.3 billion in repair cost. I can only imagine the measured cost to the Fijian people and the economy. In Fiji, there is an economic cost to agriculture, residential homes, commercial properties, and of course, our major revenue earner, tourism. Termite has been allowed to spread for the last 16 years due to the lack of government actions and attention. The coalition government is committed to effectively and work together with all the stakeholders in adequately addressing this national priority. Experts suggest that termites can devalue a property by around 25% and reduce the property life, making repairs more costly over the years. Understanding the extent of the infestation and the cost to families and businesses is an important starting point in our discussion on addressing the issue. Hence, the prosecutor of Fiji, and the private sectors, stakeholders, and government must work together going forward. BEF, under its mandate and national obligations, has taken charge for the containment and control of Asian subterranean termites, AST infestation, and also put in place measures to prevent the spread of AST from Rotorua and Labasa districts to other parts of Fiji. For its part, the government has provided budgetary support to BEF for both operational and capital since its establishment. Since 2018 to 19, government has allocated 6.3 million to BEF in general. However, it is the industry and businesses that play a crucial role in ensuring the importation of biosecurity hazards are taken seriously, and regulations must be in place to safeguard the country against human, plant, and animal contaminants. Unfortunately, the termite infestation is already in our country, so that we must work together to plan our way forward and promptly address the devastating impact it has caused to our homes and to our country. The purpose of this consultation is to look at the current status of where we are, and following this, we will have a 2-day more thorough consultation on how we are going to develop an action plan in trying to address this problem. From this, we intend to carefully plan our response and also to establish, to continue and working through this task force in coming up with strategies and appropriate policies to address this problem. I would urge every one of you to please bring your ideas to the table and let us create a way forward in addressing this issue. We cannot function in silos or in isolation or remain in a business as usual. We need to cooperate and collaborate to have a significant impact. In conclusion, the time to act is now, and we are, as a group, that will make a difference. It is not going to be an easy task, but I look around the room and take comfort from the fact that we are all invested in the same cause. Let this meeting be the start of a new dawn. Rest assured that this government, through your citizens, will provide the support needed to tackle the problem of termites in Fiji. And thank you very much.